Thank you. It's great to be back in the Rose Bowl. I think we've been here before. I seem to vaguely remember this. And I want to say a special thanks to our favorite action man, Robert Downey Jr. That was a very nice intro he gave us. And NASA has given us something we've always dreamed of, our own rock on Mars. I can't believe it. I want to bring it back and put it on our mantelpiece. And now it's time we're going to do a request. So we've put some songs up for you to vote for. And like songs like Can You Hear the Music? There's No Smoke Without Fire. I don't remember that one. The Little Old Lady from Pasadena. Anyway, these four we put up, and the one that won tonight was